How would I feel as but I'm a Pakistani citizen, where my country has given 35,000 people dead in a war we had nothing to do with, $70 billion lost to the economy when total aid has been $20 billion. How would I feel that my ally, who we are fighting for, does not trust us, instead comes and conduct the operation itself?
How does it
help? Should they not have told our government? If it's either it's an ally or it's not an ally.
How does it help in terms of the future stability of Pakistan for you to tell the Americans?
God, if I was the Prime Minister of Pakistan, I would have immediately told them that, look, we will fight this war our own way. We don't want any interference. We don't want your money. We don't want your aid. Look, it doesn't mean cutting the relationship with the Americans. It means we will fight our own way.
It does, because it takes two. And if you had your way, the Americans would cut their relationship with Pakistan. It's quite clear. And that would involve billions of dollars of aid at a time when Pakistan, goodness knows, has every reason to need that aid.
Pakistan has lost $70 billion, the people of Pakistan, in this war. This was published by our own. This current government has published in the economic survey. Total aid is $220 billion. This aid is destroying us. Look, I would tell the Americans that what do they want from Pakistan? There should be no terrorism from our soil. That's all they should want. We'll do it our way. If I am perceived as a puppet of the Americans, it takes away my credibility and ability to fight terrorism. Because of me, there will be more people picking up guns. Look, puppets create terrorists. They create radicals. If it was a sovereign government, we would deal it with our own way. But the Americans, surely, would they not want a Pakistan government which would ensure no terrorism from our soil? Would they not want that?
Imran Khan, we have to end there. Thank you for being on Hard Talk.
अगर आपने स्ट्रेस देखना था तो कल एक हार्ड टॉक का इंटरव्यू हुआ था जिधर इसहाक डार पाकिस्तान के वो पुराने फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, उसकी शक्ल देखें तो आपको पता चलेगा कि स्ट्रेस क्या होता है। उसने कह रहा था कि मेरा कोई हार्ट का मसला, अगर वो नहीं भी है तो उससे हो जाना था।
मुझे याद है पैर कांप रहे थे, पसीने माथे पे थे कि खुदा का वास्ता है वापस जाने दें। मुझे याद है पैर कांप रहे थे, पसीने माथे पे थे कि खुदा का वास्ता है वापस जाने दें।
फिर मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ। सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें और बेल के निशान पर भी क्लिक करें ताकि हर वीडियो आपको मिल सके। तो वीडियो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।